everyone, and welcome. We're out here at Orchard View Circle in East Modesto, a beautiful little cul-de-sac, and wait till you see the property we have to show you. This house is full of updates, most of them done after 2017 and done right. You're going to be excited to see this one. Attention to detail, maintenance, just lovingly maintained. I can't wait to share it with you. So give me a call, Lorraine Cardoza, at the Cardoza Group, PMZ Real Estate, and give me a chance to show you this gorgeous home here on Orchard View Circle. I really look forward to that opportunity.